Cobra maneuver test?
Cobra maneuver over the runway.
Over the runway, let's see.
All right. And 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's fast. Oh.
So lame. Oh,
That's
Draco.
so dumb. That I thought it would do like 4D maneuvers.
I think bounces a little bit. Connor, get behind the fence. What?
Have you not watched the regular show?
Oh, yeah.
Where did this wind come from? Look at how slow this thing's going. Edge it.
God, dude.
What? Here, wait. My turn.
Let's see this. Corbin ZT28. Oh, not bad. Dominicio.
Dude, I feel like this snap.
We do not care. Holy flopper. Jesus. Locked in. Locked in. Locked in. Where is he? Oh. 399 feet up in the air. All right.
Okay.
We even got the whole
Greaser.
Not a popper.
Not a flopper.
All right, Connor. Grease it.
See, it need reverse.
I mean, you kind of landed it like halfway.
Oh wait, no, we can turn around. No, we're good. Oh, nice.
You landed it halfway down the runway, so I mean, sort of makes sense. Holy float. Jesus.
Are you down? Yeah.
He's down. Oh. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Future YouTuber.
Take off and touch go then. Alright, take off and touch go. Pass.
Subscribe to Connor to Ola RC.
Holy. That was okay, actually.
Yeah, I was about to say that was not very.
I was having some trimming issues.
That wasn't that bad. Not bad, not bad. Good excuse. Not bad, you want to read it? Oh, I think he might just have both.
Kids are a lot better than that's a good ball. Dude, that was like butter on the bread. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's like butter on the bread. Okay. Alright, take two.
Holy macaroni.
No shot. Yeah, I was about to say, dude, jeez. What the sick passes is gonna be. All right, Connor, is that the last pass I'm gonna film?
This landing you're gonna film.
Okay. All right, let's see Connor's pass.
Well, I can get
Do it like low, for once. What?
this one's kinda, it's like when you throttle up, it like goes up.
So, just give it full throttle. This landing is about to be so Sigma. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? That was all right. Walking out on the runway again. Every landing, I swear.
Holy edge. Dude, I don't know what he means it flies mid. It looks like, to me, like it flies mid.
He's a good pilot. He's really good.
Maybe too good.
Can't get it. Top Gun reference.
Oh, wait, who was too good?
Honk, honk.
Let's see it.
All good.
Sigma Alpha Male takeoff. Dude, how does it go out of those?
And I don't think the wheel ever actually fully cycles.
Oh. Keep the gear.
Nope.
Glide it,
I
glide
don't
it.
think I have control.
It's a little crisp in there.
She was cooking.
Oh my god! Oh, give it. Show that thrust vectoring there. Ooh.
Sigma fist vector.
So, this is how you fly your Sport Cub S. You fly it in the parking lot, not the actual airfield. I bet you he definitely does have that, what's it called, remote ID on there, you know, AMA, FAA number. He's got all the stuff, so I think we're good. Oh, fumbled that one. Yeah, that's wait, that's India.
It's India.
It's like 1,000
It looks like
India.
India and Portugal.
Where'd the tire go?
More important things are going on, Connor.
On takeoff.
It's a line of car.
What's there?
Where?
Like,
Connor, I'm sorry, but I don't think we're finding that.
oh, we probably could. If they found Ryan's nothing, oh yeah, we're good.
How did it fall off?
Was it just a temper?
How did you find that?
I'm awesome.
I think it just stretches around is what it is.
What the Sigma? Alright. I have no canopy.
Dude, the landing is just so good. It just lands so nice. Wait, was that like a full stop? That was the entire flight?
Yeah.
Jesus.
2 minutes.
2 minutes?